Hello guys, in this video we are going to see two things. Number one is extensions for VS Code editor, and number two thing is how we can see the code of other websites. Yes, you can see the source code of other website. So first let's go ahead and understand what are the extensions required for VS Code editor. Okay, these are not mandatory things, but these makes your work so beautiful and so easy. So that's why I always say that install 2 or 3 extensions, which I am going to show you right now. Whenever you proceed in this course, you will see some more extensions, but till now you only require 2 extensions, which I am going to show right now. So this is the thing we have done till now. Okay, so let's just go ahead into the extension section. Okay, this is the extension part from where we can install the extension in our VS Code. So let's just click on it. When you click on it, you can search for any extension. Okay, the number one extension that I want you to search for is for material icon. Let's understand this thing. You can see here in this area, it is a file section or explorer section. Here you can see that this is my folder and this is the index.html file. Just look at the icons. These icons are not good enough for us. Okay, we want good icons. For this we have a beautiful extension known as material icon extension. Okay, when you type material icon, you can see this one. You just click on it and just go ahead and install them. Once you have installed it, you can just go ahead and click on material icon theme. Now it is good enough. You will see. Okay, just see here. Whenever you go to the explorer again, you can see, wow, it is beautiful. Now it is showing that HTML5 extension. Isn't it beautiful? Now the second thing that I want to show you is, whenever I want this page to be rendered on the Chrome browser, I just copy path. Here you can see I will copy the path. Okay, I will go to the Chrome browser, then I will paste it here and then I will enter. Okay, now let me just do this first so that you can see it easily here, and then this thing. Okay, yeah, great. Now whenever I will write something over here like h1 tag, and I will write here that first website, I will save it, and whenever I go to this area, I first need to go into the Chrome browser and then I need to refresh this section in order for me to see these changes which I have made in this part. So whenever you write something new like a paragraph, something like lorem of 10 words, these are dummy text. Okay, so let me write this thing, and whenever you come here, you need to refresh this section in order to see what are the changes you have made here. So we have one beautiful extension which will take this work from us, and this extension is known as live server extension. Live, and the second thing is server. You need to go to this section and go ahead and install this thing. Okay, wait for the installation. Once the installation is done, just close this area. Okay, and just go again into this section. Now till now we are just first going into this area, and then we are going to copy this thing, and then we are pasting it over here. Okay, what it is saying, extension host terminated unexpectedly, restart extension host. So now let's see. We have done this thing, and we first go ahead into this area, we paste this, and then we refresh this area. Okay, now we are not going to do this thing. Okay, again we will just go here, we will just go ahead here, and then we will say this open with live server. That is the server we have installed right now. Okay, you just click on it and you will see that it will be opened up automatically. You can see this is the thing that is opened by my live server. Now you do not need to write this thing here, then save it here, and then you need to refresh over here. The refreshing part is not mandatory now. You do not need to refresh anything. Just let me show you quickly. It is hello world. Okay, I have written this thing, and you can see I didn't refresh on this area. Okay, I just wrote something here and I just saved that thing, and it will automatically be loaded over here because we are using some kind of a server which will do it automatically for us. Okay, let's write something paragraph like Jamal Ahmed is a good boy. Let's just write this, and you can see this thing is automatically reloaded over here. You just do not need to go on this page again and reload it again. Okay, so this is what live server provides us. Live server has some more features which I am not discussing over here. Till now for HTML it is enough, and this is great that we do not need to refresh it again and again. Okay, now one more thing that I am interested in. Let's just again go ahead with this one. Okay, let's just go ahead with this one also. Yeah, now one more thing that I want to show you is some kind of a shortcut. Okay, in VS Code there are some shortcut which will help you. Like just say that I have written this thing like this. In big projects you will write code, a lot of code. Okay, and you need some kind of formatting which will be done by VS Code automatically for you, so that this formatter will format your document according to some kind of format. Okay, now if you go here and you will go to the keyboard shortcuts area, you will find a lot of shortcuts. These are the shortcuts you can use while working with VS Code. The most important that I want to show you right now is the format. Okay, the format document. The shortcut key for this is Shift plus Alt plus F. This is the shortcut key to format your document. Now what does formatting mean? Formatting means that if you see this thing, it is not looking nice. You need to make it in such a way that it is readable. Okay, now it is not readable for me correctly. Okay, like H1 is here, P is here. Okay, now if I press Shift Alt plus F, it will be formatted automatically. You can see over here. Okay, now if I say like I am writing some 100 word text, some random word text, you can see that these texts are going on. If I press Shift Alt plus F, then you can see that it is automatically break into lots of line to make it readable and formatable for me. So this is the shortcut keys you can find in the VS Code. Okay, this is available in here, keyboard shortcuts area. Now the third thing that I want to show you is, if you go there, I want to see the source code, like the code which we have wrote. If you want to see the source code, you can right click on it and go to the inspect area. Whenever you click on the inspect, you can see whatever we have written in this part. Okay, you have wrote a lot of things here, and you will see all of these things here. So this is the paragraph that we have written, and this is the H1 tag that we have written, all of these things. So whenever you want to see the source code, you can just go ahead into the inspect and you will find this. Okay, now this is not limited to your website. If I go to any website, like I am currently going to w3school, okay, .com. This is the website which is very good. If you want to learn HTML and you want to read about HTML, this is quite good website. Now if you want the source code, you can just go ahead and click on inspect. By the way, you can how will you go into the inspect? First of all, right click on it and then go to the inspect. You will see this source code. Okay, this is what they have written. You can see here it is the HTML tag, then the header tag, and then this is the body tag, and inside the body tag these are what they have written, and we will see these things one by one. Do not be worried about. Okay, so that's all about this video.